very powerful video. Today I will talk about once again the CPA marketing, and this video will be a very powerful video. All right, I'll be telling you the 4 offers which are converting very well on Max Bounty, and I have already selected these offers. These are the offers. Please don't skip the video. You can use the strategy in any affiliate, in any traffic source. Okay, so I have selected the 4. I have already bookmarked it. I have selected the 4 offers. If you promote these offers, these are converting very well, and instant payout will reflect on the dashboard. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive straight to the video. See, these are the offers which are converting very well with high EPC. iPhone 12 single opt-in US traffic, inbox dollar US traffic, survey junkie USA, Canada, Australia, single opt-in, and win a MacBook New Zealand. These are all cost per lead offers. Okay, you can promote any of these offers. You will get instant payout and it will reflect on the dashboard. See, suppose I click on this. You must have heard about this. All right, see, you just need to click over here, build tracking link, and click over here social. Okay, and over here contextual. That's it, and you will just copy this link. This is the step 1, and you will just mask your link from Linktree. Okay, you can promote any of these 4 offers which I just shown you on Max Bounty. If you are using CPA lead or CPA grip offer, that is also fine. Okay, there you will get inbox dollar or win iPhone offers or gift card offers. You can promote those also. Okay, so this is the step 1. Now I will tell you the free traffic source which only requires $5 to $10. Okay, please, no more excuses. Just go ahead and crush it. Just do it one time, you will fail. Do it second time, you will fail. Do it third time, but keep trying till you get success. Okay, the first website which I'm going to tell you is known as locanto.com. Locanto.com. See, here you can post your ad free of cost. It's totally US traffic. See, Houston, Las Vegas, Los Angeles. I will tell you one website, because when you when you post ad on this website, they will ask for mobile verification. Okay, so I will tell you one amazing website where you can verify the mobile phone online. Okay, and you can run ads multiple times. Okay, I will tell you how to verify the mobile phone. You can crack Craigslist, Locanto, anything, Gumtree website, any website you can crack. All right, in fact, YouTube, anything. I will tell you one secret website which I don't think anyone knows about this. Okay, so what you have to do is coming back to the topic, you need to post ad over here on this website locanto.com. Just sign up on this website and post ad, and you can see, you can run ads under the community. Okay, under the community, or if you are selling, if you are providing jobs, you can promote the offer under the jobs category. But since you are providing gift card offer, so I would recommend you to go for the community. Okay, just click over here. Okay, they will ask for the lines, what you want to write. Just write 3-4 lines. Okay, I just received $100 gift card yesterday. Okay, I hope it will help to someone else. Since it's the end of this month, it's the New Year is approaching or Christmas is approaching, we are providing $100 to $200 free gift cards. If interested, kindly visit our website. Like this, 3-4 catchy lines. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. See, these are the states where you can post your ad free of cost: Houston, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, Miami, New York. Okay, these are the states, these are the cities. Are you getting my point? So go ahead and create an ad on this website. This website received hardcore US traffic. Okay, and this is the first website. If your ad is rejected, don't worry. Again select and again upload, again post free ad. Okay, till you make it. Okay, I will tell you how to crack the online verification. This is the first website. Second website is known as Gumtree. Gumtree.com. This is the hardcore UK traffic. Okay, this is very, very powerful if you are running the UK offers. All right, so it also goes the same. Post ad, just register over here and click over here, post ad. When you post over here, you will get this page and click over here community. Here community, you can just promote, you can just post ad for gift cards. So as I said, see here you need to select the community and you need to select these. These are the drop down options. See under the community, the group and association, events, gigs and nightlife, lost and found stuff like this. You need to select because here you will not pay too much. Okay, and here people search on these websites that what are the gift cards, what are the giveaways people are providing. This is the amazing website. If you check the traffic source of Gumtree, you will be shocked. More than 90% the traffic is coming from UK, and it is more than 30 million. 30 million is the traffic which is coming on Gumtree. More than 30 million. In fact, it is increasing every month. So you need to post ad on these website, and you need to write 3 4 lines. As I said, I just received gift card yesterday like this. If anyone is looking for free $100 to $200 gift card, since festive season is approaching, then kindly visit my website and put your link tree affiliate link. Okay, so this is the second website. The third website, which you already know, see this website is also has got a very good review on Trustpilot. All right, so people will show interest on this website and they would definitely click on the offers. Okay, you need to promote the offers which are converting very well and which has got a low competition. Okay, the third website is known as Craigslist. Okay, Craigslist has got a huge potential, and I will tell you, only choose newyork.craigslist.org. Okay, because I have applied this strategy. That's why I'm saying only use newyork.craigslist.org. Here you will get lot of emails. You will get lot of leads. Trust me, you will get lot of leads. On the single day, I received 332 emails by using this strategy. Okay, I just put the autoresponder, and I received 332 leads on a single day. I use this website newyork.craigslist.org. See, if you promote this on Craigslist, they will ask for the mobile verification. Now I will tell you one amazing website where you can crack any online verification. This is known as felixmerchant.com. Okay, this is very, very, very powerful. Okay, I always purchase numbers from here. It's only for $1 or $2, and you can just crack any mobile verification. Okay, whether it's a Tinder, Gmail verification, YouTube verification, Craigslist phone verification. Okay, so they will charge you and they will provide you the online numbers OTP. They will provide you the OTP. They will not, and you will just put the OTP in that website. That's it. It will be verified. It's a genuine website. Okay, it's been since a very long time. It's a genuine website. So go